All right, where we at?
Man, we out in Boca, Gamma Stylecraft Sales Education Training. We teaching the whole sales force, distributors, our educators, everybody how to do it our way. Eddie put together the 6 phases and the curriculum. Tariq supported Eddie. We built all of everything for these tools and everything that we got going on. Look forward to y'all seeing it. Let's go.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube Barber Academy. This is the Gamma Barberhood formation. These are the founding members. This is the first group. We're gonna take over the rest of the country one by one. The next is the Northeast, then we're gonna go out west. And this team's gonna be out on shows. They're gonna be out on shows, doing distribution, working with distributors, doing all kinds of good stuff. And we're gonna help you guys with education and support you guys all the way. And you guys are gonna see some really dope new tools that were teased over here. So it won't be long before I start showing them on the channel. Okay, I got my friend Danny here. He just gave me a product that they're collaborating on with Stylecraft. Let me check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing here. Let's see what it is. Yo, first off, the box is nasty, all right? The detail that went into this box, it looks good. Oh, hold up. Oh, look at this thing, man. It's light, too. It's light. Oh, and it's a Turkish style. No, it's a slider. Okay, it's a slider. I thought first it was Turkish. Oh, this is dope. Look at that. SC, baby. All right, you already know what we're going to be using out there now. I like it, Dan. This is dope. Listen, man, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video. You guys can purchase this from my boy, Danny.
So I have to come back a little bit. It's been a really quick and exciting 5 years that we've been doing this. And now, really the focus was the product, the innovation, the technology, and now the focus is the team and the education.
It's like so stoked, and the thing is, man, with doing all that, I'm so excited to be part of the team because I just see how hard you work. This company was working to be the best, and it's to me, I'm like, this is just on cloud 9. So
I'm stoked for being here, so I appreciate what you're doing, and Eddie for, putting a good word in for me. So
my station, I started working with them, collaborated with them. Now I lead the educational team for Latin America.
And I remember Orlando premiere, our first show, is one of my favorite memories. But we were pushing the hell out of that shape. And just to see, how much further it's come. And I've always, done my best to extend myself in any way I could be. It gave me an opportunity to help put this together with Tony, Eddie, Matt, and the crew. And we look forward to continuing to build.
One of the shops I've been at was Tariq's, and that's how I ended up meeting Austin. Yeah. And I was fairly new, so to be a part of the team that early, I was just very grateful.
People will literally go to war for you, if it's fun and you listen. Because the same people that build you up could be the same people that can tear you down. But if it's fun and everybody's winning and we're all collectively growing, it's gonna go through the roof.
hey, look at this chef over here. Making it happen, baby.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're here at Stylecraft and Gamma. My name's Mo Cuts. I'm here with the team, and we're just chilling, man. We're just over here taking a little tour of the building, trying to see what's up and what's gonna be our new home.
All right, so as much time as I spend promoting Stylecraft and the brand because I love them, I've never actually been to their headquarters, and I'm here now. So we're about to get a tour of the facility and check this place out, but this is super dope. It's my girl Cecilia here. She makes it happen. She's one of the heavyweights around here. All You see, it's
Is that
recording.
Eddie, the YouTube barber?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wow, dude.
I know, man.
It's a pleasure, my man. It's a pleasure to see you.
Listen, this guy's Trace. He's the one that handles all your returns. He handles with care. He can fix pretty much everything.
Right,
And he keeps,
that's right.
he keeps the boat rolling, man. They got the best customer service in the industry. Whenever you have a problem, man, they're right there for you.
That's
But
right.
don't throw your clipper on the ground and think it's there for you, all right? All right, so this is the dog. That's Maze. Maisie. She's the shop dog. Yeah, this is my first time at the headquarters, so it's been really cool. Everybody's been here. It's very hospitable. We got some good food, got some good ideas. We got a good team around us. This is Austin's room. Come check this out. I'm gonna steal his chair for a second. But look, man, they got all the stuff here. Something you guys are always asking me about in the United States, but that's the cyborg right there. Now, I haven't even seen one, so let's just open it real quick. Like, maybe he won't notice it's gone. It's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Like, this is an all metal clipper. Oh, dude, it comes with the vapor blade. It feels good. This, I'm telling you, when I was looking at it in the box, I thought it was gonna be one that I really wouldn't like that much, but this little thing feels pretty awesome. Now I'm gonna ask him to steal it. Oh, but look at the charger, y'all. This ain't for me. You gotta do something else. And it comes with a stand. Probably comes with dubs. All right, we can't give away too much. I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek. We got a whole lot of blow dryers around here. And my boy Danny Styles just did a collaboration. So we got that razor. He gave me one too. So that's pretty cool. And okay, I gotta show you guys this. I don't even know if anybody else knows about this. And I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to post this. It works too. USB-C charging. It actually feels, dude. I shaved my arms like yesterday. And it's, look at that, bro. You gotta keep these tattoos fresh, man. You can't just let it build up like that. I don't know what else they're up to, man. They got a whole lot of stuff going on. This is not a company that's gonna sit still and like paint cases over and over again. Like, this is a company that's actually looking to produce things and push the needle forward. So, all right, you guys. I noticed one thing about this Gamma here in Stylecraft. They got a lot of women working here. You know, they really do. You don't see women working like that this is kind of like a men's field, all the haircut and stuff. And it's pretty dope to see that, you know, and they're working harder than the men do. They out here pushing it. I don't know what's going on out here, but oh, this is a dope little creative spot. Look how nice this is out here. Even for the laptop, I could be sitting out here editing. You know what I mean? Like, we can just kick it right here. Yeah, man, that's about it, you guys. Just want to show you guys what it's like here at headquarters and describe some of my experience building this Gamma team out. We got the best people around us, and we're about to take over the world. Just stay tuned. Yeah, boy. Content is king, man. We are always working. It never stops. But speaking of that, my handler's behind me, and he's telling us we got to go. They're kicking us out. I thought you were Matt for a second. Like, first off, man, I just want to say I'm honored to be part of this team, to get a chance to lead this team. These are all some elite barbers in the industry. This is the starting of something great. We were just bouncing ideas off of each other. We have a whole Discord app that we use to kind of communicate with each other and enhance our educational skills. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna get into these communities, and we're gonna make a big difference. And each one of these people you see in this room, like Tariq, man, he's cut a lot of Hollywood people. He's got a resume a mile long. He's my right-hand man in this whole process. And we got such a great team behind us. This guy here, Trace, he can fix anything. We learned how to fix all kinds of different stuff. We got the new Rebel trimmers, teasing those up a little bit. We all got a pair. Everybody got a little care package here. We all did a little hunting around. You know, this is a homegrown company. This is a mom and pop's organization. So, you know, to see it grow from where it was to where it's going, you know, and we were over here at Top Golf. We all had an opportunity to bond. And Tariq's swing needs some work, and so does Mo's, but you know, we still had a blast. And the food, honestly, over there, it was pretty lit. I gotta say, man, we were all staying in the same house. We had time to kind of develop our relationships and start to bond and bounce ideas off of each other. And this is part of the training. We all had mannequins. All our curriculums are actually hands-on classes, and people have been booking them already. Mo's already done one. A few other guys are on the schedule to go do one, and you know, we're getting out here and we're doing it. So this is just in-house homegrown training, and our next one is actually going to be in Las Vegas. We just found out we're doing the West Coast next. So if you think that you or somebody you know could possibly make it on this team, feel free to shoot me an email. My email is in the link in the description. We would love to talk to you. So this particular training is going to be out of Las Vegas. So we're looking for some West Coast educators or some people who might want to educate. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is Northeast. I believe we're going to be starting towards the Connecticut region. So if you live somewhere nearby, either of those places, just feel free to shoot me an email. We'll check you out and we'll see if you'd be a good fit for the team. I got to give a shout out to Barber Strong. I know that you guys don't know this, but Barber Strong was the first people to ever have me on stage at Premiere. They're a super dope company. They make some of the best barber gear imaginable, from capes to smocks, and they're just super light. They're really nice, and they went out of their way to embroider them for me and everybody on the team. So I really want to give them some credit where credit is due, and I will drop a link in the description if you guys are interested in checking out some of their merch. Let me tell you guys about this guy right here. This is Danny Styles. He's a heavyweight on YouTube. This guy's got over 500,000 subscribers, and he is really one of the kindest and nicest people I've met doing this. So go subscribe to his channel if you're watching this, man. Give this guy a sub.
Congratulations, you are officially a certified Stylecraft Gamma Plus educator.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Barberhood.
All right, brother. Congrats, man. You've been part of this from day one. Long time coming.
Don't zoom in so they can't see my name spelled wrong.
Officially a certified Gamma Plus Stylecraft educator. Honored to have you a part of the team, man. Yes, sir. So, you're official, man. Certified
thank you so
Stylecraft
much.
Gamma Plus
Appreciate
educator,
it.
man.
Thank you so
Really
much.
pumped to have you. Appreciate all your work. All right, brother. Congrats, man. Certified Gamma Plus Stylecraft. We're so happy to have you, man.
Yeah.
Certified Gamma Plus Stylecraft educator. Honored to have you part of the team, man.
Honored to be here.
Yeah. The flash is going